Okay, so what I'm doing tonight is I have some green beans and a little bit past their prime. I'm going to wash them. And I'm going through and I'm removing the bad spots from the green beans. And then I'm going to do the same thing for these Brussels sprouts over here. I'm going to cut the edges off.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half because I want it to cook fast. I'm just using a standard paring knife. Usually I use a much sharper knife, but this was the first thing I saw. So when you cut these, be careful with your fingers and all that. So I'm going to put all this together. Okay, so now the Brussels sprouts are done and the green beans are done. I'm going to move you over to the stove area. This is just basmati rice, and cover this up, turn down the heat, leave it alone for 35 to 40 minutes. Now in this pot, the basmati rice cooking. And I can't lift the pot because then we lose the steam. So this quart saucepan has got the rice. Over here, what I have is the green beans and the Brussels sprouts. So what I have is on this pot, it's been cooking for over 15 minutes. And what we're going to do is just let it cook a little bit longer, and then we're going to transfer it into the rice. Now this is going to be too much rice. This is going to be 3.5 cups of basmati rice. So when this is ready, we're simply going to put this in a dish, put the rice on top, and I'll show you how I do my dressing for it. The green beans and Brussels sprouts are ready. Create a bed with your freshly made rice, and then you take the vegetables that you just made and you pour them over the top. You try to put it on top of the rice. I like Brussels sprouts, so I'm going to be using a lot more Brussels sprouts and green beans, but of course both of them need to be used. Now if we had beans, this would be a complex protein. Right now what we have is we have a little bit of basmati rice, green beans, and Brussels sprouts. House Foods organic tofu. I took off the top, I drained it, and I'm not going to do like most people, I'm not going to press it. I'm just going to take a little bit off the top and just cut it up in chunks. Now what I did to warm up the tofu is I stuck it inside of this container which had the broth, the hot broth that I just made. And then I scooped it back out and I put it on top of the plate. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on it. This is Pace Original Picante sauce, and it's mild. It's not as chunky as the salsa. It's more of a liquid. And this will add all the flavor that I need. I don't have to play around with herbs because I know exactly how this is going to taste. There's all the seasoning that I need right here. Okay, well this is the entire meal. I hope you enjoyed watching me make it, and I'm looking forward to our next video together.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.